Hello folks, how are you? Good to have you here on today. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel. I'm so glad to have you here. And today I am sharing with you the remodel of my fireplace. As you can tell by the title, we have decided to remodel our fireplace, even in the midst of decorating. And this is why some of my videos are behind in schedule, but I will catch up on this coming weekend. So today I'm showing you how we remodeled our fireplace. And so I had to write some things down, so I wanted to be able to share with you why we decided to do it at this time. And so my husband and I have decided to downsize, and we are thinking of selling the home. And we found out that in the midst of selling and going through the protocol of, everything that needed to be done, we found out that the original fireplace was not up to code. So we had to have that fixed. And because we had to have that fixed, we decided to go ahead and redecorate it completely. And so we are going to show you on today exactly what the process was for us to have this fireplace done. Now, again, I was not able to get my Christmas tree done, so you will see that in the midst of the floor, in the midst of all of the remodeling. And also, this took about maybe 4 to 5 days, not consecutively, but because we did not have some of the items, delivered to us, we had to go and get it ourselves. I just wanted to make you aware also that in this video you will see the demolition taking place. You will see the stack brick being installed. You will see the hearth being installed, and also you will see me having it decorated and complete for Christmas. I also would like to thank Cecil and Handy. You guys did a fabulous job on this fireplace. I am so pleased with it, and I think it fits the home completely now. So again, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And if you all need any work done in the tri-state area, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, I will have their information listed in the description box. And so they did an awesome job, and I'm so pleased with it. So again, guys, I just want to say thank you again for stopping in to see the remodel of my fireplace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and to hit that notification bell twice, okay? Because if you don't, you won't see all of the videos that I have uploaded for you to see. So again, have a great Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all, and have a great week. So folks, I failed to mention that my husband did the demo on this project, which saved us quite a bit, and I'm so grateful to him. He started the work, and Cecil and Happy completed it. And here you're seeing Happy complete the installation of the stack stone. And the stack stone was purchased from Home Decor. So if you happen to have one there and you're looking to, complete your fireplace as well, check out Home Decor. They have great prices. I'm so sorry, folks, but I meant to say Floor and Decor. So we purchased the stack stone from Floor and Decor. Okay, everyone, this is where we're at in our journey. So we're waiting on the hearth, I believe it's called. And yeah, be glad when that comes in. Almost done.